Right now, the sentiment score for the cloud topic is at -0.30, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This drop suggests a sudden shift in sentiment, raising questions about underlying factors affecting public perception. With zero momentum over the last 24 hours, this stagnation could indicate a lack of confidence or uncertainty that you should pay attention to. The API returns detailed sentiment data, including insights into 20 semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of public opinion. Imagine you're developing a cloud service and want to gauge customer sentiment before launching a new feature. This data can help you understand potential backlash or highlight areas for improvement. For more detailed insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.